Redemption from desires a lonely crier. Oh, redemption from desires a lonely cry. Astaghfirullah, inna Allah dhu karamin wa rahmatin lilladhi qad taba min zalali. Astaghfirullah, inna Allah dhu karamin wa rahmatin lilladhi qad taba min zalali. Astaghfirullah, inna Allah dhu karamin wa rahmatin lilladhi qad taba min zalali. In the timeless time before our time, when you called us forth to bear witness, following the devout, oh, I answered yes without the shadow of a doubt. Your spoken word was what I had heard as I stumbled into wakefulness. As we gathered about, oh, it stirred me within as it shook me without. And the years they passed till the day at last I awoke with a cry of the pain of severance. And then I felt it again and again, but there was a mercy that was hidden in the pain. Ravenous desire, a burning fire. Who am I to claim a share in deliverance? I can't always explain, oh, but my time's running out and my guilt is plain. Oh, one who hears the sound of tears as they quench the thirst of the earth that I pray on. My Lord, forgive me, I have failed the covenant that I had taken on. Oh, one who sees my arrogant knees as they kiss the ground in the hopes of redemption. My Lord, forgive me, I have failed the covenant that I had taken on. As I took the trust on whose I lust, the mountains quaked at the consequence. As I pledged to obey, oh, the earth cried over the one who goes astray. As our ship set sail and worldly veil sent us drifting to our distances, the mind did lose the way, oh, but the heart kept reminding of yesterday. Now here I am, a broken man. I've earned the fate that your justice regulates. Dry, empty hands, don't stop the flow of the hourglass sands. Oh, free of need you have decreed. Your mercy descends on the one who supplicates. Raised empty hands, oh, plead mercy, my Lord, plead a generous hand. Oh, one who hears the sound of tears as they quench the thirst of the earth that I pray on. My Lord, forgive me, I have failed the covenant that I had taken on. Oh, one who knows the song of those who wail in remorse at the sting of separation. My Lord, forgive me, I have failed the covenant that I had taken on. Forgive me and relieve me, and a wing of hope do give me. Just a wing of fear that's with me won't get me near the promised land. Redemption from desire, desire's a lonely crier. Your closeness I aspire, but I can't carry on if you don't take my hand. Oh, one who hears the sound of tears as they quench the thirst of the earth that I pray on. My Lord, forgive me, I have failed the covenant that I had taken.
ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين.
My Lord, forgive me, I have failed the covenant that I had taken on. Oh, one who knows the song of those who wail in remorse at the sting of separation. My Lord, forgive me, I have failed the covenant that I had taken on.